Today, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to go from a blank screen to a professional, ready-to-send invoice, all within a few minutes. I'll move step by step, keeping things clear and simple so you can follow along in your own Xero account. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your account if you haven't already. You'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your business finances. From here, we're going to head straight to the area where all your customer billing lives. In this video, you'll learn how to get to the sales section where you can manage everything related to money coming into your business. Look along the top menu bar and find the option labeled business or accounting depending on your layout. When you see sales, go ahead and click it. This is where Xero groups your quotes, invoices, and other sales documents, so it's the hub for all your customer billing activity. Next, within the sales area, click on invoices. This opens up a list of your existing invoices, including drafts, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. It's useful to know that you can always come back here later to track which customers have paid and which ones still owe you money. I'm going to walk you through how to create a brand new invoice from this page. Look for a button that says New Invoice and click it. This will open a fresh invoice form. Think of this as a template where you'll fill in who you're billing, what you're charging for, and when payment is due. Before you start typing, it helps to understand what you're setting up. At the top, you'll select or enter your customer. If the customer is already in your contacts, you can start typing their name and choose it from the list. If they're new, you can add their details right here so you don't have to retype them next time. I'll show you the easiest way to set up your invoice and payment options so it's clear for your customer and easy for you to track. Choose an invoice date and a due date that matches your payment terms, like due in 7 days or due on receipt. This tells your customer when you expect to be paid and helps Xero remind you about overdue invoices later. Now enter your invoice details. In the description lines, add each product or service you're charging for. Include a clear description, the quantity, the unit price, and any tax settings your business uses. Take a moment to double check your amounts, as this is what your customer will see. If you use account codes or tracking categories, select them here so your reporting stays accurate. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Saving creates a draft of your invoice, which is helpful if you need to come back later and edit it before sending. After reviewing it one more time to make sure the customer, dates, and line items are accurate, you're ready to finalize it. When you're happy with the invoice, click Approve and Email. Approving locks in the invoice as an official record in Xero, and the email option lets you send it directly to your customer without leaving the system. You can customize the email message if you'd like, then send it off. Your invoice is now created, approved, and on its way to your customer.